The future of work is here. Artificial intelligence isn't just a trend, it's reshaping the very foundation of industries, jobs, and the skills we need. But what does this mean for you? Imagine a world where machines don't just assist us, they work alongside us, even take on tasks that were once exclusively human. Will AI be our biggest ally in creating jobs or the force that disrupts our entire economy? And more importantly, will you be ready? How AI is reshaping industries and job roles. A graphic that shows various industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and education. Each industry then animates to reveal specific AI advancements in that field. In healthcare, AI is already diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors. Finance, AI algorithms handle complex trading systems and fraud detection in milliseconds. And manufacturing, robots have taken over assembly lines, but there's more to it than just automation. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's transforming who does the work. Some jobs will become obsolete, but entirely new roles are emerging. Companies are in a rush to fill positions like AI ethicists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. Top AI job. Will AI create or eliminate more jobs? The big question, will AI create more jobs than it eliminates? Studies show contrasting views. Some predict a massive disruption, while others anticipate that AI will spark new sectors, just like the internet did. AI and job market impact, uncertainty or opportunity. Think about past technological revolutions. The Industrial Revolution introduced machines that replaced many manual jobs, but it also created entire industries, from automotive to aerospace. By 2030, as many as 375 million workers are expected to switch jobs as a result of AI, digitization and automation. But here's the catch, this time, AI isn't just automating tasks, it's automating thinking. That's what makes this shift unprecedented. Skills needed for the AI-driven future job market. So, what skills do you need in an AI-driven job market? In a world where AI can think and learn, it's not just about technical skills anymore, it's about being able to work with AI. Skills of the future: data science, machine learning, adaptability, emotional intelligence, and more. Tech skills like data science and machine learning are important. But soft skills, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability, will be key to staying competitive. Why? Because these are things AI still struggles with. While AI might analyze data faster, it's not good at understanding human emotions, culture, or ethics. Learning to work with AI, understanding its limits, and leveraging its strengths. That's what will set the workforce of the future apart. The future of work is not something that will just happen to us, it's something we can help shape. By investing in new skills and embracing this change, we can make sure AI doesn't replace us, but rather, it helps us reach new heights. The future of work: adapt, learn, thrive. Are you ready for the future of work? It's closer than you think. Question: how will you shape your future in an AI-driven world? Subscribe and like to our channel for more insights into the future of work and technology.